Live from City, Russia, this is The Eye on the Storm.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Right now we're having our weather report personnel. We're gonna go live to the streets and we're gonna go to our reporter. Take it away, Johnny. Yes, Bob. We're outside again because I was told that I was gonna get fired if I don't come outside again in the snow. That's the only reason why I'm out here again. We're having some technical difficulties, and we're gonna get you the live feed once we can get back to our report out there. I hear we're gonna go back live. Okay, we're going back live. Go.
I ain't doing that. I ain't doing nothing. You crazy? I'm freezing. Well, you tell him that I ain't going back on the air because I'm freezing. You tell him I ain't going back on the air. I'm out there freezing my ass, and he's in the studio. Let him come out here and do the weather report. I can't even talk because my lips are frozen. My lips are frozen. I ain't going back outside. Look at me. Look at me. I'm staying inside.
I don't know what's going on. Somebody didn't win the lotto or something. I don't know what's going on. Okay, all right, okay. Looks like we're okay. So we're going back. We're going back out there for the street report. Go, take it away. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the weather is bad out here. Please stay in your homes. Enjoy your time with your family and loved ones. If it's not necessary to come outside, just don't come outside. Reported live here from Mrs. Garage. I'm the happy reporter. Back to you in the studio. Whew. All right, tune in for more reports as we continue on with the Eye on the Storm.
Can still stand you, Mr. Gerald West.